Hello everybody, welcome back to Drive and Strive. Today we're going to be working on my dad's 1990 Ford F-150. We've been having problems with with the brakes squeaking and grinding, and we need to use this thing here in a couple days. So I pulled the tires off already, and I pulled the drums off, and I found all of this inside. That's all brake pieces. You got your tensioner, parts of other pieces in there. I don't even know what that is. You got your e-brake brackets and springs. Anyway, so most of the hardware over here is junk. The other side's still okay. I pulled it apart already. I'm going to keep that together for now so I can use it as a reference to get this side back together. But we went and bought a brake hardware kit from O'Reilly's by Brake Best. And we got us some shoes as well. So I'm going to pop down my little seat here and I'm going to start taking this all apart. Okay guys, so the thing I used to keep this on my this camera on my tripod just broke, so I'm gonna have to hold it for a little bit. But I got the springs on now. My dad ended up showing me the to use a screwdriver and pry them on there. I did put this bar in and this spring as well. So now I'm gonna come down here and I'm gonna attach the last spring, as well as all of my tensioner hardware and stuff like that. Okay guys, so I just got the tensioner in, I got my spring going from here over to this silver clip thing with my cable here. It comes up to here. Alright, and my tensioner's in here. I'm not going to install the grommet yet because I am going to have to adjust the brakes here in a little bit. So now I'm going to clean up the drum. I'm going to clean the drum and the pads or the shoes and put it all back together, put the wheel on it, set it back down on the ground. Okay guys, we're going to throw a tire on and I'm going to move to the other side. I'm going to do that. It should go a lot easier than this side because now I kind of remember how everything's supposed to go together. So we'll do that here in a second. But well, I'm not going to show you, but I am going to do that. But take a look at this pad. Just or the shoe. It's just destroyed. And then you get all these metal pieces here. That's a spring right there. And more springs. And I don't even know what that is. But and then the rest of the old stuff that I just pulled out of it. Alright guys, well I'm done. I just finished changing all the hardware for these rear brakes here. It's actually relatively simple, but I got both sides done now. Thankfully the drum wasn't destroyed, so I was able to use the drum. But I got new shoes, all new springs, brackets, and everything. All I got left to do is adjust the brakes. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it, so you guys will be informed when my next video comes out, which will be on how to adjust your drum brakes. Until then, I'll see you next time here on Drive and Strive.